Skifti maapallon polku.
Today's the 1st of July 2021. When I checked when this building was originally built, the elevator was replaced in 2019, and this is Ilmakuja. Lufttrenden. 3 steps here in Olari Matby, close to Mattingilla Matby in Espoo. Helsinki Espoo region, uusi modernized. Capacity is 4 persons or 400 grams. The serial number is 438122294, and it was made quite fast with 8 floors, and it's going to be inspected in 2023. So at least it's still with a wooden interior and then 3-sided door.
Yeah. But I don't like 3-sided doors.
Because it's slower than 4-speed door.
Yeah. But it has a door close button.
Yeah.
So that helps. Then the KSS is the same, so we don't have to go there.
Yeah.
But we can check maybe other buildings nearby if there's more.
Yeah.
Because I think there are some more here. And of course there's KSS BNC in 1976.
Expected parkkivains maintained by Kone.
Yes. I also would like to try to get to the KSS BNC in the 1976.
Yeah. That's
it.